Having too large and heavy images on your website takes up too much space on the server, which will inevitably cause the server to take a little longer to load them and probably cause some crashes. Therefore, it would be very important if you could find all the images that are too big in their dimensions so that you can resize them, and help your server a little. The problem comes when you realize that WordPress doesn't allow you to filter your images by height and width, but you have to open them and go through them one by one, which will take you several hours. However, in this video we want to show you how to filter all your images, so you can filter them by their dimensions. This will help you save a lot of time and free up server space. To achieve this, we'll use the Media Library Spreadsheet plugin. This plugin completely simplifies the way you manage your WordPress files. It will show you all the files in a spreadsheet, where you can apply changes in bulk and do advanced searches. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to consult our written guide. Once you have installed and opened our plugin, we'll look for all the images by file size. We'll do this since the spreadsheet will show all types of files, such as videos, images, zip, audios, etc. To do this, we'll open the search tool. Once the tool is open, enable the advanced filters. Then select Format. The operator will be Contains. Now we'll enter image as the value. Finally, run the search. After we have filtered all the images on our site, we can sort the dimensions directly in the spreadsheet. To do this, we just need to load all the rows. Then go to the width or height column. And sort the images from smallest to largest or vice versa. In case you have too many images to sort, instead of loading all the rows, you can export the images to do it from Excel or Google Sheets. To do so, we'll open the Export tool. Select the columns you want to export. In this case, we'll export all of them. Optionally, select the app you'll use to edit the CSV file. And download the file to your computer. This is an example of how the images we exported are displayed in Google Sheets. Now you can go to the image width or image height columns, and sort the values from A to Z. This way, you'll see which of your images are bigger and which are smaller. Now you can go ahead and resize them or change them. As you can see, it's really easy and fast to filter all your images and sort them by width or height using the Media Library Spreadsheet plugin. Remember that in the video description you will find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.